I want to share with you something here in the kitchen area. One of the most important aspects of living green is improving your indoor air quality. Now that starts with proper ventilation in your home, both in the kitchen as well as your bathroom, because those are the two rooms that have the most moisture content. So getting rid of that moisture will reduce the chance of mold and mildew forming and will make it easier for you to heat and cool your home. Another thing that proper ventilation will allow you to do is to rid your home of VOCs, volatile organic compounds. You've probably heard that term quite a bit lately. And what that basically is an outgassing of different materials that may have been used to build your home. Now that might be caulk, might be adhesive, some type of floors really emit a lot of VOCs, countertops, even paint can create a problem with the harmful fumes in your house. Now you'll be surprised how many harmful fumes and VOCs are contained right here in all the household cleaners you have tucked away under that kitchen sink. So anytime you're building or remodeling, think about using materials that have low or no VOCs. You can also do that when you're buying cleaners.